we got the two tires off. They were just hand tight, so I just put a socket on it. I didn't really strip anything more right now. I did clean the motor plate off. Sprayed a little bit of metal cast paint on it. Well, it's just the first layer. I'm gonna continue to maybe grind a little bit on it. Alright, once you got her sanded down, it's about as good as you want to get. I mean, you can spend hours and hours if you wanted to. You know, that's up to you. If you want to bring it straight down to raw metal, you got the tools to do it, go for it. It'll look better. Next step, you obviously want to use some filler primer. That gets rid of all your wrinkles, all your dips, all your cuts from your flapper disc, anything like that. You want to put a bunch of coats of this on it. I'd probably use 2 cans of this at least on it. I know everybody loves this sound. So here's what we're looking at pretty much after she's primed. You know, it actually turned out pretty good, better than I thought it would. I may actually go over it one more time in the morning maybe. It's about 11 o'clock at night right now. To do the metal cast, this is actually your step. Sand, prime, put your base coat on, and then come over it with a bunch of light coats of the metal cast, and it will give you that gloss, really deep color to it. I've been very impressed with it in the past. Alright, next step, gonna put the metal cast chrome base coat on. I actually started a little bit right there. This stuff actually coats very easily, so it shouldn't take maybe 1 can, maybe 2 if you're just, you know, picky. Freaking neighbor out there. Who done it? Alright, you should have something kind of close to this. Just real shiny, chrome looking. You know, it actually still does have some of the pits and the rust. I mean, unless you want to take some Bondo to this thing and like clean it up. But actually what I got an idea is, I have some diamond plate right here, and I may actually cut some of that to put in the floorboard of it. That way everything won't just be like one color. I think it'll actually look pretty good. Start with some of this red. Oh, that red looks so good. Alright, I'd say we're about halfway done. The color actually is looking really good. It's always got that high gloss to it that you like to see from like a powder coat or something like that. I'm going to take some of the steering off, do them a different color. I don't want just everything completely red on it. Alrighty. Well, about a couple minutes later, man, wow. I'll probably go back and put one more coat on it just to kind of even up the where the seat is, the big flat panels there. But I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I mean, just look at the gloss on it. Look at the gloss. Oh crap, what's going on? When the heck did you get here? We got here. Good, about 30 and a half to the diamond plate. Perfect, guys.
I'll be forward with it. That'll work. So, show you what it looks like.
Woo. That looks, oh my gosh, that looks great. Dude. She's turning out nice compared to what she did look like. She looked terrible before.
Yeah, go back and look at that before picture.
Yep, right here.
Just look at it, let's see.
Right there?
Right here.
Ah.
Yeah, look at it.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks terrible.
Nice. Alright, we got some high performance wheel coating. I know it ain't a wheel, but it's a gloss black and it covers really good.
It's black and it's wet and it's going on the back of that seat.
And it's gonna look freaking frosty. So get you some tape that doesn't fall off.
Like that.
Like some crappy blue tape. And we're gonna spray this down even though I've already have sprayed.
Cool. I think that's gonna look better with that black on the back of that seat back.
I think it's gonna look great. Alright, we're gonna get this tape off here. Ooh, that's fresh.
It's looking pretty good. I think the black on the back of the seat was a pretty good idea.
We just needed some other colors besides the red.
But yeah, that's gonna look pretty good. Alright, so tape's off. I like it.
Wow.
I kinda wanna do that same black on like the brake rod, maybe even these pedals and the tie rods. I'm gonna remove that front bumper. It's terrible, but we could change those pedals out. That may happen, but we'll see.
Alright, so we need the disc band, brake band. She's complete.
Alright, and we'll throw that main nut on the outside.
We need to go through and get all new nuts for this thing.
That seat back sure is looking good. I like that. Alright, so we'll put the last wheel on.
Yep.
Tighten all the nuts up and throw a steering wheel on this thing. And then we'll throw the motor on.
Alright, gonna put the steering wheel on real quick. Now I'll get it off the other one. Tap it on. Where's my nuts?
Let's see what it looks like. Hey, it don't look too bad. I actually kind of like it on there.
It's perfect size.
Yeah, it's black.
Actually, there's one more piece. We forgot about this one more piece right here. The actual cover for it.
Yep. Center cap for it.
Center caps.
Does it snaps in?
Snaps in.
Cool.
Got me falling right